Hi, I'm Miriam Groom, career therapist and founder of Mindful Career. And welcome to the channel where we blend wisdom with practical science to help you align your career with your true purpose. So in this video, we'll walk through all 9 Enneagram types and how each one shows up at work, what roles best align with our psychology, and some concrete career paths to explore. Today, we're exploring a tool that's both spiritual and scientifically grounded. It's called the Enneagram. So the Enneagram isn't just another personality test. It has ancient spiritual roots drawing from early Christian mysticism, Sufi traditions, and even Greek philosophy. Originally, it was actually used for deep inner work and self-awareness. But it's not just spiritual. It's also been validated by modern psychology. And it's also usually used by therapists, coaches, and even Fortune 500 companies to better understand core motivations, behavioral patterns, and personal growth paths. So what I absolutely love about it, and why I use it in my practice, is that the Enneagram doesn't just tell you who you are, it also reveals who you can become and how your unique strengths, blind spots, passion points, to the kind of work that will truly fulfill you. So if you haven't done so already, and you haven't done the Enneagram, I've linked a free resource I love in the description. So feel free to pause, take it, so you can know your number before we jump in. So let's begin. So type 1 is the reformer. Their core drive is to improve, perfect, and to do the right thing. Their strengths are ethical, responsible, structured, and principled. Their ideal careers are policy analyst, lawyer, editor, operations director, or nonprofit leader. So why it fits? Because the first thrive where integrity, excellence, and order matter. They love building systems that improve lives. And a famous person that is type 1 is Michelle Obama. She's extremely organized, idealistic, and deeply value-driven. So next is type 2, the helper. Their core drive is to be loved, appreciated through giving. Their strengths are compassion, nurturing, emotionally attuned, and very giving. Their ideal careers are therapist, nurse, teacher, social worker, HR manager, and community advocate. Why it fits is that to shine when helping others thrive, they bring heart to every space that they enter. An example of a famous person in this role is Princess Diana, endlessly giving and devoted to humanitarian causes. So then we have type 3, the achiever. So the core drive is to succeed and to be admired for it. Their strengths are driven, image conscious, energetic, and results focused. Their ideal careers are to be an entrepreneur, marketing executive, surgeon, public speaker, and a business coach. So why it fits is that 3s love environments where they can shine, grow very quickly, and be recognized for excellence. Very famous 3 is Oprah Winfrey. She's ambitious, she's polished, and she is wildly successful. Then you have type 4, the individualist. Their core drive is to find identity and meaning through authenticity, so being themselves. So their strength is, of course, creative, emotionally deep, introspective, and artistic. Okay, so their ideal careers are writer, filmmaker, UX designer, branding expert, and therapist. So why it fits is that 4s need room to express their unique essence. They bring beauty and depth to their work. A very famous example of a person who is a 4 is Frida Kahlo. She's emotionally rich, bold, and deeply expressive. So then we have type 5. Okay, this is the investigator. Their core drive is to really understand, analyze, and conserve energy. Their strengths are independent, cerebral, insightful, and very curious. So their ideal careers to maximize these strengths are data analyst, academic, software engineer, scientist, or architect. So why it fits is that 5s need solitude and intellectual stimulation, perfect for deep, focused work. So a famous person is Albert Einstein. You're in good company, curious, unconventional, and intellectually obsessed. Then we have type 6, okay? They are the loyalist. Their core drive is to feel secure and supported. Their strengths are that they're extremely loyal, dependable, prepared, and risk-aware. Okay? Their ideal careers that could activate those strengths are project manager, teacher, police officer, health and safety consultant, and engineer. Okay, why it fits is that 6s bring stability and caution, which makes them trusted pillars in high-stakes settings. And a very famous person that's in this role is Mark Ruffalo, dedicated activist, thoughtful, deeply loyal to the causes that he is in. Then we have type 7, the enthusiast. Their core drive is to avoid pain and experience joy, freedom, and stimulation at all costs. Their strengths are that they are energetic, optimistic, curious, and spontaneous. Their ideal careers that'll activate those strengths are travel consultant, startup founder, event planner, content creator, and creative director. So why it fits is that 7s need a variety, fun, and freedom to follow their many ideas. A famous example of a 7 is Richard Branson. He's extremely adventurous, high energy, and a visionary entrepreneur. So then we have type 8, the challenger. Their core drive is to be in control and avoid vulnerability. Their strength is assertive, protective, direct, and very strong-willed. The ideal careers that activate those strengths are CEO, lawyer, activist, law enforcement leader, and executive director. So why it fits is that 8s are natural leaders who thrive in powerful positions where they can protect and empower others. A famous example of this is Serena Williams, bold, fierce, and unstoppable. Then we have type 9s, the peacemaker. Okay, so their core drive is to maintain peace and harmony. Their strengths are that they're calm, accepting, empathetic, and diplomatic. Their ideal careers that activate those strengths are really a mediator, a counselor, a yoga teacher, an HR specialist, or a librarian. So why it fits is that 9s excel in calm environments where their soothing presence can help people come together. Famous person who's a 9 is Morgan Freeman. Gentle, grounded, and universally respected. So, which type resonates with you the most? What more information were you hoping to get from the types? Because if you share them with me, I could do a part 2 and share the information that you're looking for. So let me know in the comments. If you haven't already taken the free Enneagram quiz, just link in the bio. This isn't affiliated with our company at all. And if you're ready to take things deeper to understand your ideal career, not just through personality, but through a full psychological framework that includes your learning style, your brain chemistry, career values, then book a free intro call at mindfulcareer.ca. I'll put the link in the description as well. And we could help you find your ideal career, like we have with 10,000 people already, realigning their lives and careers with what they love to do. Until next time, keep following what lights you up.